picked up a hot dog for my man over there, and we're outside my hotel. I'm gonna take my first bite of New York hot dog. That's damn good. Center. Just picked myself up some Nets swag, repping the home colors at my first NBA game. It's pretty exciting. What do you think about people who live in California?
They're weirdos.
Best way is to like grab.
I search to find the love within, yeah. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Sorry, yeah, appreciate it. Again, my name is Kamani Jackson. Thank you so much. Thank you. And don't forget to...
Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge at night? No, not at night, in the evening time.
Golden hour!
Golden hour, yeah. It's pretty crowded.
What's the smell, y'all? It's New York.
Smells like New York. What's one neighborhood people should visit in New York?
Hell's Kitchen for the cheap drinks.
Arena. This time I'm rocking my home colors. It's kind of cool. They give you free bobblehead upon entry. You know, today Devils are playing the Ducks. Let's see how it goes. Hoping for the Devils. Got a great seat for tonight's game. Awesome. favorite Devils player?
Dawson Mercer, of course, number 18.
Right now I'm sitting at the rooftop terrace, on the 4th floor of the Yodo Hotel. Hotel. It's in the evening time. It's a pretty nice skyline view.